Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Evangelion is probably one of the most iconic and influential mecha anime series ever created, captivating audiences with its complex characters, philosophical themes, and stunning visual design, making it a must-watch for any fan of the genre. Number 5. FIREFIRST X Neon Genesis Evangelion 15 Anime Backpack. This is an officially licensed backpack, a special collaboration inspired by Neon Genesis Evangelion. It features iconic elements from the NERV organization, bringing the anime's aesthetic to life. Constructed from high-density, scratch-resistant polyester and nylon, it's treated to repel water. This ensures your belongings stay safe from light rain and spills. With a generous 22-liter capacity, it easily accommodates a 15.6-inch laptop in a padded sleeve. The interior boasts an all-over print, immersing you in the EVA atmosphere. It offers a two-way design with a top handle and backpack straps for comfortable carrying. Multiple external pockets, including a tablet pocket and side water bottle holders, provide convenient storage. This backpack perfectly merges collectible details with practical use. It's ideal for daily commutes, travel, work, conventions, or as a fantastic gift for any fan. What we like. This backpack boasts an officially licensed design with water-repellent fabric and a 22L capacity. If you're looking for a durable and stylish way to carry your essentials, especially for daily commutes or conventions, this is a great choice. It offers ample space and protection for your belongings, making it ideal for fans who want to show off their love for the series practically. What people say. The RG Evangelion Unit 01 is a highly articulated model kit that allows for a wide range of dynamic posing. The kit features intricate detailing and a realistic paint scheme, capturing the iconic look of the Evangelion Unit 01. Assembly is straightforward, with snap-fit parts and clear instructions, making it accessible for both beginners and experienced modelers. Number 4. Bandai Hobby RG Evangelion Unit 01 DX Transport Platform Set. Experience a new frontier in model kits with the Real Grade series. This advanced model represents a multipurpose humanoid weapon, an artificial human. It features intricate linked parts construction that emulates muscle fiber movement. This allows for a very close replication of human joint articulation. The spine and shoulder blades are linked to the armor parts. They move in conjunction with the arms and chest for enhanced realism. This highly detailed model offers unparalleled posing possibilities. Bring your favorite scenes to life with its incredible range of motion. This product proudly bears the official Bluefin distribution logo. Ensure you're getting an authentic piece from Bandai Spirits. What we like. This model kit features intricate linked parts for human-like joint emulation and comes with a transport platform. If you are a collector who appreciates highly detailed and posable figures, this is for you. The included platform adds an extra layer of display options, perfect for recreating iconic scenes with Unit 01. What people say. The RG Evangelion Unit 01 is a fantastic model kit with incredible articulation, allowing for dynamic posing. The color separation is superb, and the panel lining is easy to achieve, making the final build look very impressive. The accessories included are plentiful, and the way the armor parts are designed to slide and reveal inner mechanics is a brilliant feature. Number 3. Bandai Hobby RG Evangelion Unit 00 Model Kit. Introducing the Evangelion Unit 00 from Bandai Hobby's Real Grade line. This model kit brings the iconic mecha to life with incredible detail. Experience a new level of realism with its intricate linked parts construction. This design closely emulates human joints, allowing for natural movement and posing. The linked spine, shoulder blades, and armor parts move with the body, preventing obstruction. This allows for incredibly realistic humanoid poses, from crouching to running. This kit accurately recreates the Evangelion Unit 00, capturing its distinctive appearance. It's designed for fans who appreciate both detail and articulation. It comes equipped with iconic accessories from the series, including a pallet rifle, progressive knives, and an umbilical cable. You can also choose from 6 different types of hands for varied expressions. Ensure you're purchasing an authentic Bandai Spirits product. Look for the official Bluefin and Bandai Namco label for guaranteed safety and support. What we like. This RG model kit offers realistic joint movement and faithfully recreates the iconic Unit 00, complete with multiple weapons. If you're a fan of the original movie or want to build a classic Evangelion unit with impressive articulation, this kit is a must-have. It allows for dynamic posing and accurate representation of the EVA. What people say. The detail on the EVA Unit 01 is incredible, from the panel lining to the subtle weathering effects. Articulation is surprisingly good for a model kit of this size, allowing for dynamic posing. The color separation is excellent, with vibrant and accurate colors straight out of the box. Number 2. Bandai Hobby EVA Unit 02 RG1144 Model Kit. Experience the thrill of the Evangelion RG series with the arrival of Unit 02. This model kit brings the iconic android to life like never before. Achieve intense action poses thanks to its advanced articulation. The design ensures no interference between armor and parts, allowing for full range of motion. Discover innovative engineering, like the sinking structure at the knee that prevents armor interference. When you move its legs, internal parts mimic muscle movement for a natural stance. The head is intricately designed with small parts for easy color reproduction upon assembly. Clear molding is used for the eye parts, adding to its realistic appearance. This unit comes equipped with a newly molded progressive knife and a folding thunder spear. Various hand parts for armament are also included to recreate your favorite scenes. The kit includes a pallet rifle, thunder spear, progressive knives, an umbilical cable, and realistic decals. You'll also find multiple sets of hand parts for diverse posing options. What we like. This model kit provides a wide range of motion with detailed internal parts and new weapon molds for Unit 02. If you love recreating intense action scenes and appreciate meticulous detail in your builds, this is the one. The sinking structure and muscle imaging internal parts ensure a natural and dynamic display. What people say. The RG Evangelion Unit 01 has a highly articulated frame that allows for a wide range of dynamic posing. The kit features intricate details and panel lining, replicating the iconic design of the Evangelion Unit 01. Assembly is straightforward with snap-fit parts, making it accessible for builders of various skill levels. Number 1. Bandai Hobby RG Evangelion Mark .06 Model Kit. Introducing the Evangelion Mark .06, brought to you by Bandai Hobby. This highly anticipated RG model kit features many new parts for an authentic build. This unit is a fan favorite, ranking high in popularity polls, second only to EVA 01. Now you can own this iconic mecha. It comes equipped with the legendary Spear of Cassius, a crucial weapon from the series. You'll also find the signature halo accessory. As part of the Real Grade line, this model offers incredible detail and articulation. Experience the quality Bandai Spirits is known for. Add this impressive Evangelion Mark .06 to your collection today. Perfect for fans of Neon Genesis Evangelion and model kit enthusiasts. What we like. Featuring new parts, the iconic Spear of Cassius, and a halo accessory, this kit brings Kaworu Nagisa's Evangelion Mark .06 to life. If you're a fan of the most popular units and want to build a visually striking Evangelion, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for collectors who want to add a highly recognizable and impressive piece to their collection. What people say. The RG Evangelion kit features intricate panel lining and a wide range of articulation, allowing for dynamic posing. Snap-fit assembly makes this model kit accessible for builders of various skill levels, with no glue or paint required for a great finish. Includes a variety of optional parts such as the progressive knife, pallet rifle, and various hands for different action poses. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.